Hi guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the Good and the Beautiful Energy, Heat, Light, and Sound unit study. If you're not familiar with the Good and the Beautiful, they have lots of different unit studies for science. Behind me you will see our marine biology science wall. That's the unit that we're working on now, and this is the one that we are going to do next. So if you're interested in more of these types of science units that can be used for all grades, go to thegoodandthebeautiful.com. I will post their link below. So let me show you what this looks like inside. This is the Good and the Beautiful Energy, Heat, Light, and Sound. It's a unit study for grades K through 6. In the table of contents, these are the things that we will be learning about. What is heat? The sun, heat and light source. Heat sources and production, heat transfer, temperature, light and color, sound, etc. In the beginning, it tells you how to create a science journal, how to create a science wall, tells you about the lesson mini books that we have in these lessons, how to prepare the lessons, about the experiments, and what to do if you're teaching kids grades 7 through 12. These are cut up for me already, but you get some vocabulary cards, and some of them I have cut out, and you can put them on your science wall. I store mine in all of my units in a small binder, in a 1-inch binder, and I'll probably put a cover in the front of this. And here you have your supplies needed list. It breaks it down by lesson. Zoom it in so you can see. These are the optional read out loud storybooks for each lesson. Unit 14, you get a unit project. And each lesson is broken up by your objective, preparation, what you need to read to the child, and then the activities are broken out into steps. They have these check boxes so you can check it off so you know where you left off. They come in handy. What to put on your science wall, and if there's an experiment, it's listed out here. What to do in your science journal, and things for older children. So now I'll just show you some of the experimental pages they have, some of the lab worksheets. You can see all the beautiful colors and the pictures that they have. These are mini books, so you cut them out and I'll show you what they're supposed to look like. There's a lot of activities and games that they also have in these, like these treasure hunt cards. This tells you different things to do. And there's lots of experiments for this unit study. They also have a kit on another website that's associated with the Good and the Beautiful, where they sell the box of all the things that you need so you don't have to go fishing for it. It's the end of the unit project requirements. Now, this is my science wall. It's in my classroom, but this is for my marine biology, but that's what it will look like. Well, that's what my science wall looks like. Here I have all the vocabulary words. I took some of the pictures from the unit, and I also assembled my mini books here. And then I stapled them together, and then I put them on the wall, so when I need it I just take the thumbtack out and I read it to the kids. And then sometimes when they have papers that they have done, I'll put those on the wall for show as well. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to browse around my channel and subscribe if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks a lot.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.